Brian, did you steal my potato?
No, it wasn't me.
Oh no, Brian. We won't talk like that. Admit it, man. You ate that potato?
I swear, bro, it wasn't me. I've never stolen anything in my life.
Oh, really? And do you remember July 12th, 3 years ago? My sandwich? Gone.
That was the wind, Greg. The wind took your sandwich.
The wind doesn't eat salami and leave the crust, Brian.
Look, maybe the potato just ran away. Potatoes have legs now, right?
Oh, now you're telling me a potato sprouted legs and joined the circus?
Hey, stranger things have happened. Remember Jerry's cabbage? Turned into a pigeon.
That was a hat, Brian. Jerry was wearing a cabbage-shaped hat.
Still doesn't explain where your potato is. Maybe you ate it and forgot.
Gasps. How dare you? I have a detailed snack log.
A what?
A snack log, Brian. I write down every edible item I consume.
Wow, no wonder you're single.
Hey, this isn't about my love life, it's about justice.
Look, maybe the player took it.
The player? You mean the guy jumping on barrels and stealing everyone's carrots?
Yep. Classic potato thief behavior.
All right, we form a search party. I want that potato back. Dead or mashed?
You're taking this really seriously.
It was a baked potato, Brian, with sour cream. Mom! Mom! Mom!
What is it this time,
Brian
Gregory?
is lying! Mom! He took it! My potato! Spudrick is missing!
Spurick?
Yes, I named him last night. We bonded. He saw me cry.
Greg, it was a potato.
A very understanding one.
All right, where's Brian?
Hiding, like all guilty people. Come, I'll take you to him.
Brian, we need to talk about a potato.
Oh, come on, again? What is it with this family and root vegetables?
Don't deflect, Brian. I saw that glint in your eye. That was mashed potato energy.
Greg, I didn't take your potato. Maybe you just forgot where you put it?
Are you saying I misplaced a living legend?
I'm saying it's a potato. Not a legendary sword. Or your diary.
Let's go over this like adults. Greg, where exactly did you last see it?
On the table, right next to the spoon I was going to use to stare at it dramatically.
You stare at potatoes?
Only the special ones.
Okay, so no one saw it leave.
Leave? What, do you think it grew legs and walked away?
Oh, now you sound crazy.
You named it Spudrick and accused me of murder.
All right, here's what's gonna happen. Brian, you help Greg find his potato. Greg, you stop naming food.
Can I name my sandwich?
Only if you eat it within 10 minutes.
Then I shall call him Sir Crunch-a-Lot.
Okay. I'm not touching anything with googly eyes again.
Then stay away from the fridge. Losing a
family
potato
needs
isn't an
therapy.
accident
Another day,
or it's a
another
tragedy.
tuber-related accusation.
Losing a potato
Oh, look.
isn't
Family
an
needs
Another day,
therapy.
It's a
another
tragedy.
tuber-related
Without
accusation.
potatoes.
Oh,
Losing
look.
a potato
Another
isn't
day,
an accident.
another
It's a
tuber-related
tragedy.
accusation.
This
I know
family
Brian
needs
took it.
therapy.
He has that
Or a
potato
farm
thief
without
aura. I
potatoes.
know
Oh, look.
Brian took it.
Another day.
He has that
another
potato thief
tuber-related
aura.
accusation.
This family
I know
needs
Brian
therapy.
took it.
Or
He
a
has that
farm
potato
without
thief aura.
potatoes. This
I know
family
Brian
needs
took it.
therapy.
He has that
Or a
potato
farm
thief
without
aura.
potatoes.